Assalamu alaikum. This geometry class for class 7, chapter 9.2. See, in the triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. AB greater than AC and bisector of angle B and C intersect at P. Prove that PB greater than PC. Let's see now. In the triangle ABC, AB greater than AC and this BP bisector of angle ABC and PC bisector of angle ACB, we have to prove that PB greater than PC. If you want to draw bisector, how to draw? See this, you have to draw bisector like this. You have to draw bisector of angle ABC BP and bisector of angle ACB PC. You have to draw like this. This is given general enunciation and particular enunciation. Just like general enunciation, particular enunciation, just you have to add, we are given this, what we have to what, and it is required to prove that. It is required to prove. This line you have to add in the particular enunciation. General enunciation and particular enunciation almost same. Just in the beginning you have to add we are given, and in the middle it is required to prove. This sentence you have to add in particular enunciation. Now see proof. Here everything is written. You have to copy this in your copy. Now just I am going to explain you. Here given ACB or ABC triangle, AB greater than AC. If AB greater than AC, then opposite angle is greater, opposite angle of greater side is greater. Therefore ACB greater than angle ABC, opposite angle of greater side. If you bisect, then the half, this is half, this is half. The ACB greater than ABC, therefore half ACB. Half ACB is half ACB greater than half ABC. This is half ACB. Half ACB greater than half ABC. This. Then this angle is greater than this angle. This angle PCB. Angle PCB greater than PBC, and PCB is the greater angle and opposite side of this angle is BP. Therefore BP greater than PC, opposite angle of greater side, like that. And here it is written, see, prove in triangle ABC, AB greater than AC, as CB greater than ABC, opposite angle of greater side. PC is the bisector of ACB and PB is the bisector of ABC. Therefore half ACB greater than half ABC. Therefore PCB greater than PBC. Therefore PB greater than PC. This proof. Next question, see. ABC is an isosceles triangle. See this. ABC isosceles triangle and BC extended up to D and AD is joined. We have to prove that AD greater than AB. AD greater than AB. We have to prove that. See the question. ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB equal to AC. The side BC extended up to D. Prove that AD greater than AB. This is general enunciation. If we want to write particular enunciation, just we have to write in the beginning given ABC, given what you have to join, and we have to prove that. You have to, in the particular enunciation, you have to add only we have to. We have to, these three words you have to add here, then it will be particular enunciation. General enunciation and particular enunciation same. Construction, let join addy. This is the construction. Now we have to prove how. Here is written. I will read this later. First see here. Here AB equal to AC. Therefore this angle ABC angle equal to ACB angle, isosceles triangle. And AD is joined. Now in triangle ABD, you see ABD. This in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, you see ACB is the exterior angle. This is exterior angle of ADC triangle. Exterior angle is greater than any other angle. So this angle is greater than this angle. ACB greater than ADC. ACB equal to ABC. ACB equal to ABC, because AB equal to AC. ABC is a isosceles triangle. Therefore this angle equal to this angle. This angle greater than this angle. ACB greater than ADC angle. Therefore ABC greater than ADC angle, because these two same. Now in triangle ABD, we can see ABD angle greater than ADB. If this angle greater than this angle, the opposite side of this angle is AD. Therefore AD greater than AB proof. Now here is written this. See, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. Therefore angle ABC equal to ACB. These two angles are equal, isosceles triangle. Here ACB is the exterior angle of ACD. This ACB, this angle exterior angle of ACD, and ACB is greater than ADC. Exterior angle is greater. Therefore in triangle ABD, ABD greater than ADB. Therefore AD greater than AB. This is proof. See another one. In the quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to in the quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to AD, CD equal to BC. These two sides are equal and these two sides equal. We have to prove that angle ABD greater than BCD. BAD, we have to prove BAD greater than BCD. We have to prove this. See, this is written the general enunciation. You have to write particular enunciation. Just joining in the quadrilateral ABC, AB equal to BD, BC equal to CD, and CD greater than AD. It is required to prove that. It is required to prove that DAB greater than BC. This you have to write. Construction C, let join AC. Now if we join AC, now we can see there are two triangles. AC divided quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles, ADC and ABC. Now in this triangle we can see CD greater than AB. CD greater than AD. CD greater than AD. Therefore DAC angle greater than ACD angle. In this triangle BC greater than AB. Therefore BAC angle greater than ACB angle. Now you see, we can see this angle greater than this angle and this angle greater than this angle. Therefore these two angle greater than these two angle. These two angle equal to BAD and these two angles BCD. Then BAD greater than BCD. This here written, you see in triangle ADC, AD less than AD less than CD. Therefore, DSC greater than ACD in triangle ABC. AB less than BC. Therefore, angle BSC greater than ACB. Therefore, DSC plus BSC. DSC plus BSC greater than ACD plus ACB. DSC, these two angle equal to DAB and these two angle equal to BCD. This is proof. Note all this and practice this.